Cow.
Look, it's a cow. Cows give us delicious milk, which we use to make cheese, butter, and ice cream. Moo!
Sheep.
Here's the sheep. Sheep have fluffy wool that keeps them warm, and we use their wool to make cozy sweaters and blankets.
Turkey.
Say hello to the turkey. Turkeys are known for their gobbling sound, and they have beautiful feathers that they puff up to show off.
Horse.
Wow, look at the horse. Horses are strong and fast, and they help farmers by pulling plows and carrying heavy loads.
Chicken.
And here's the chicken. Chickens lay eggs that we eat for breakfast. They love to scratch the ground looking for seeds and bugs.
Goat.
Look at the goat. Goats are curious and love to climb. They give us milk that we use to make yummy cheese.
Pig.
Here's the pig. Pigs are playful and love to roll in the mud. They're very smart and can even learn tricks.
Donkey.
Meet the donkey. Donkeys are strong helpers on the farm. They can carry heavy loads and are known for their loud hee-haw sound.
Duck.
Quack, quack. It's the duck. Ducks love to swim and have waterproof feathers that keep them dry. They also lay eggs, just like chickens.
Rabbit.
Look at the rabbit. Rabbits are quick and love to nibble on fresh veggies. They have long ears that help them hear danger from far away.
Buffalo.
Here's the mighty buffalo. Buffaloes are strong and big, and they help farmers by plowing fields and carrying heavy loads.
Yak.
Meet the yak. Yaks live in cold, high mountains and have thick fur to keep them warm. They also give us milk and can carry heavy loads.
Pigeon.
Look, it's the pigeon. Pigeons are smart birds that can find their way home from very far away. They've been used to carry messages for many years.
Bull.
And finally, the bull. Bulls are strong and powerful animals. They help with farming tasks and are known for their impressive horns.
That was so much fun. We met so many cool farm animals today. Remember, every animal has something special about them. Thanks for joining me, and I can't wait to see you next time for more learning and fun. Bye-bye.